5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, back charge. 5, 6, 7. We're to the left side of the slide. Now I'm going to be stepping under my hand on 1. I'm going to turn to the left to bring the arm down, checking forward 2. So now on 3, we're going to be going back to back. 3. We're going to keep the hand like this. As we finish it on 5, the elbow's going to come up. So as we follow her on 6, 7, we're going to break it and drop it to the right hand. 6, 7. Going to give her an inside turn. 1, 2, don't go over the head, just pull through. 3, grab the shoulder, misdirection. 5, guys, salsa step. 6, 7. So now I'm going to be turning to the right on 1, the hands being at my ribs. So I'm going to be catching it with the same hand as we break back. 1. We're going to step in place on 2. So on 3, we're going to switch sides. 3. I'm stopping her at the shoulder so she knows to stop. So guys are going to hook to the right. 5. We're going to be stepping 6, dropping it off on 7. So now on 1, we're going to catch it in front as we turn to the left. 1, keep it to the ribs as we keep turning. 2, now the left hand goes over the head. 3, forward break, drop it. 5, 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to be bringing her forward. 1. This left hand is going to be going down because I'm going to be prepping her on 2 as I offset her. 2. So now I'm going to be pushing her forward on 3. Now I want to make sure she stays in place as I go behind her, wrap her up. 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to be letting go of the right hand. On 1, I'm going to start unwinding her. 1. On 2, I'm going to block her off. 2. So right now, we're feeling pressure from each other as guys step to the side. So now on 3, we're both going to unwind a double to the left. 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 1.5 right, so forward on 1, turn on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to do an inside turn, so forward 1, 2, 3, 5. We're going to be misdirected here, across the front, 6, 7. Now, we're going to do on 1, bucking up, and 1, now forward, 2, turn, 3, back to basic, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do booty roll, so we're going to put our feet together first on 1, to the left on 2, roll to the right on 3, then 5, back to the basic, 6, 7. Now we're going to take a step forward on 1, connect. Now we're going to turn to the, make sure that you step forward first and then twist to the right. 2, keep your weight on the left foot. Now we're going to take back that step to the left, step forward 3, then keep turning to the left on 5, 6, 7, fall on the front. Now we're going to be pulling on 1, we're going to do half rotation. 1, then he's going to stop us on 2, bring the arm up. Now we're going to do a double to the left on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.